Welcome to Just Incredible. Today, watch these animals being freed for the first time. Warning: the warrior isn't afraid of anyone and is about to be released. Other creatures are advised to keep a safe distance. Small but mighty, they're tough as nails. Let these warriors explore the world in their own way. It's time to go swimming. Please watch the adorable super parade of the suit-wearing army. The moment of millions of views is here. The tears of the reunion of our closest relatives. The tight hugs, joyful cries, and loving patting gestures melt the hearts of viewers. After that, the whole flock happily walked out to the large outdoor lawn area together. The return journey of the ancient astronaut. The deep blue ocean is welcoming you with open arms. Opening the Wild Bird Fish Water Festival. A whole green cloud is about to be released. The makeshift cage is opened and shaken slightly. Hundreds of small green birds, be it parrots or similar species, soar up in unison, forming a rain of green leaves in the air before blending into the green of the forest. Meet the angry lump again just now. This time it seems to be confronting the yellow obstacle. The American badger still looks quite tense. The first step was a little probing, but immediately, wild instincts arose, rushing towards the bushes at a respectable speed. What a king demeanor to return to the realm! Unlock the Green Forest Kindergarten. Watch the orangutan big guys celebrate freedom in this Tarzan style. It was a lovely and energetic reintegration into the community. Freedom is the instinct, the most intense aspiration of all living beings. Each cage door that is opened is not only a liberating individual but also a meaningful action, contributing to healing the damage that humans have, accidentally or deliberately caused to the natural world. It is a reminder of our responsibility to protect biodiversity and preserve habitats for all species,